What's up guys, we're at the Dick's House of Sports in Knoxville, Tennessee, and I'm gonna get some behind the scenes footage of this lock-in all-nighter. Alright mom, this is serious business. Are you ready?
Yes.
I'm gonna dress you like a soccer mom. How do you feel? Show them the pants.
These are the pants, but I think it's gonna be a little long, so I might have to roll it up.
You should wear like an athletic shirt. Guys, I'm actually dead. Look at this. Turn around, give him a 360. Okay. Hey guys, it is the next day and I'm so excited because today I'm shooting with Good Morning America. I'm not sure if I can post this before or after, so I'm just gonna play it safe and probably post this after. But yeah, we're going back to the Dick's Sporting Goods store. This time it's just me, Kat, and Ian, and we're going to be shooting for GMA. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I don't know what all my mom filmed last night, so hopefully it was good. But just wanted to say that we slept so much today. Like, the reason why we slept so much is because we're filming this right now at 9 p.m. till 1 a.m. So it's gonna be another long night.
Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Thought I had the time, but it's just not enough. Boy, I don't tend to give my trust like that. Oh.
Be very, very stressful, right? Tell me about what kind of experience school picture day is and what goes in finding the perfect look.
So school picture day can be extremely nerve-wracking. I've experienced it, I think we all have experienced it, but the best way to go into it is with a positive mindset and dress for you, dress for yourself, and Dick's offers so many great trends. Some of my favorites are from different brands, but currently I'm really digging neutral colors.
Perfect.
I stay adamant with the same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. When I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. She hangs on way too tight, like it's a dear life, and I.
Okay guys, so this is crazy. That is me in the Dick's Sporting Goods store from my last shoot with Dick's, and oh my gosh, this is crazy. Got my mic on to my shorts. Doing great. It's good today. Holy cow. Look at this breakfast. We've got scrambled eggs, sausage, potatoes, and toast. Guys, I am so excited to go back home because, I don't know, there's just like, I love traveling and like,
There's no place like home.
Yeah, no, for real. I love traveling, but my face breaks out every single time I travel. And also, oh wow, my suitcase is heavy. Our car is here to pick us up at the hotel. And yeah, we're gonna head down. Got the suitcase. My mom is rocking her new suitcase that I got her for Mother's Day.
Yeah, Mother's Day.
But yeah, we're going home today. So happy. Hey guys, for the second part of this video, I wanted to get real and film how sometimes influencers can make their lives seem like it's perfect. They're living their best life. For example, the beginning of this video. Influencers also live a very, very normal life as well. And I think it's really important to keep that in mind. So, Today is not going to be an easy day for me. Yesterday I cried about 70% of the day. I woke up not being able to hear out of my right ear, and I still can't hear, and it's very scary because at first I just thought, oh, maybe it's like earwax that's covering my eardrum or something. It's not that, and my eardrum literally feels ruptured. Right now it's 9 in the morning and I'm on my way to the doctor's to get that checked out because I was really scared yesterday and I hadn't been able to hear the best for like 3 days, and I was too scared to tell my mom because she had just booked me an appointment with the doctor for my skin because my skin up close has been so bad lately. I've never really struggled with acne. My sister and I have been very blessed and we've had clear skin for the most part, and it's very easy to hide all of that with makeup. I was breaking out extremely bad when I was filming the Dick's Sporting Goods and Good Morning America segment. My face, I think I'm allergic to something. I don't know what it is because I am allergic to so many things already as it is. Alright, so currently at the doctor's. Yeah, let's see how this goes. All right, ow, frick, my ear hurts so bad. So here's the verdict. My doctor said, after taking a look at both my ears, in my left ear she said it looks good, but this ear she said it's like infected with like a rash or something. I don't even know. I have to go to CVS to pick up medicine for it because it could get very, very bad. Currently picking up my medicine. I'm at the CVS drive-thru. Okay, right now I'm about to go pet sitting, so gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna get a matcha and then go to my second doctor's appointment for the day. And then when I get done with that, I have to film 3 brand deals. Hi, can I please get a 16-ounce matcha latte with almond milk?
It can be made non-dairy, but it's just sweeter and richer than a regular matcha. Green?
Oh, cool. Can I do that instead then?
Yeah,
okay.
But still with almond milk?
Yes, please.
Sure, and it's hot, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, anything else?
No, ma'am, that's it.
All right, can I have a name for your order?
Caroline?
All right, we'll see you at the window.
Thank you so much. So excited. If you guys don't know what Summer Moon is, it's like the best coffee place ever in Texas. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so my friend Kinsey is behind me in line right now. What the? My friend Kinsey is behind me in line at the Summer Moon coffee place. And when I got to the window, they were like, oh, the person in front of you paid for your coffee. Like, oh. Like, what the heck? Kinsey, if you're watching this, dude, I love you. Thank you so much, the freaking best. Let's try this matcha moon latte. Let's try this. Oh. I just broke that. That's hot, but it's good. Okay, well that cools down. I'm gonna put in my medicine right now. So it says to do 4 drops of this in my ear. Time to fix my face. Guys, I finally finished filming. That took literally 3 hours of filming for some Dick's Sporting Goods stuff. And look at how messy my room is right now. But anyways, I did my makeup, so I actually feel a lot better today because I was not having it. I have to go back to CVS to pick up 3 more medications because my dermatologist gave me those. But I wanted to show you guys what I made for my locker. So if you guys watched my what I got for back to school video, I showed that I got these little bins. So I decorated them to put in my locker, and that's what I was doing this morning. So this one says last year, best year, smiley faces, where'd all the time go, senior year 2022, Caroline Manning, class of 22, 17 going on 18. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I'm so grateful and thankful for every single one of you guys. I'm so thankful also for the opportunities that I've been given, like you guys saw in the first half of this video, so please know that that does not go over my head. I am forever grateful for everything that y'all have done for me. So I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!